Right. The thing is, since a year I started investing in mutual funds, and
Great.
recently, I mean, a week, 2 weeks back, I started investing in ETF.
Fair enough.
So I have accumulated around 1.2 to 1.3 lakh as of now.
Okay.
Okay. So now my question is, so do we have to pay AMC once we reach only when we reach to 9 lakh portfolio, or do we have to pay right from the beginning?
Great. So Karthik, it depends that what plan you have selected. Okay. Once you make the strategy, index long-term strategy, you enter into that strategy, you need to pay the fee. Okay. So sometime it depends, looking at your age, you can easily select the basic plan. This is overall I can see, but the final answer I will give you once we will complete your KYC, risk profiling. So it will require around 2 to 3 lakhs fund only, and you can start your index long-term strategy of 9 lakh rupee. Did you get this point? So once you enter into this strategy, you need to pay the fee.
Okay. I mean, is it monthly or yearly AMC?
So this is for 6 months, 75 paisa for 6 months. After 6 months, you have to again renew it.
Okay, 75 paisa for
For
every
6
6
months.
months. That is on the
1.5% a year.
Okay, that means, I mean, that is calculated on the investment value.
On
Right.
the investment value. That means on the exposure value, that is 9 lakh rupee.
Okay, 9 lakh rupee, or the whatever the money I invested.
See, ultimately, you are making the portfolio of 9 lakh rupee.
Okay.
Got it? You are going to get the returns also on 9 lakh rupee. Your risk is also there on 9 lakh rupee. This is like you are buying the property of 9 lakh rupee. You have paid the builder 2.7 lakh rupee only. Rest you have taken the loan. But ultimately you have bought the property of 9 lakh rupee. Yes or no?
Right.
So that is what the overall product is.
Okay. So what I got is, irrespective of how much I'm investing, we have to pay the AMC charges on 9 lakh rupee.
On your exposure. So if you are selecting for one lot, you have to pay the fee for 9 lakh rupee and
Okay.
accordingly. Perfect. You have got this.
Okay, fine.
Great.
That's all. That's